Titrations, making a standard solution. You want to work at the moles, work at the mass. Then place a weighing bolt on a digital balance and weigh out the mass of solid. Tip it into a beaker, re-weigh the bolt, subtract mass of bolt from the mass of bolt and solid together to find precise mass of solid used. Add distilled water to beaker and stir until it's all dissolved. Tip solution in volumetric flask, use a funnel to ensure it all goes in. Rinse beaker and stirring rod with distilled water and add to the flask. Why do we do this? Why do we rinse beaker and stirring rod with distilled water and add to the flask? It ensures no solute is clinging to the beaker/rod. Top the flask up to the correct volume with more distilled water and make sure the bottom of meniscus reaches the line. And in this part you add drop by drop. Stop at the flask, turn it down and ensure it's mixed. Using a pipette to measure a volume of solution you want the concentration of. The square brackets mean the concentration. Add few drops of indicator to flask. Fill burette with standard solution of the acid you want to use. Fill burette with standard solution of acid. Use funnel to pour acid into burette. How do pipettes work? Pipettes measure only one volume of solution, and we need to fill the pipette above the line, then take the pipette out of solution and drop level down to line. Doing a rough titration. Why do we do this? To approximate for the endpoint to get an idea of exactly where the endpoint is, where the alkali is neutralized and the indicator changes color. Add acid to alkali using burette. Once we add acid to alkali using burette, we want to give the flask a regular swirl. Giving the flask a regular swirl. Do accurate titration, take initial reading to see how much acid is in the burette. Run acid into 2 centimeters cube of endpoint. Work out amount of acid used to neutralize alkali, aka final minus initial reading. This volume is known as a titer. Repeat until concordant results. Methyl orange, red in acid, yellow in alkali. Phenol, phthalene, colorless in acid, pink in alkali.